Okay, I think the cut looks great. Now it's time for me to introduce you to Abby. She's my texture specialist, and she's going to create a brilliant beach wave set, and we're going to permanently change Mercedes's hair. Over to you, Abby.
Great, thank you. Okay, so yeah, she just got a great haircut from Nick, and what I want to do is create some movement for her, some new texture for her. Right now, what we're seeing in trends is something that's going to give it more of like a lived-in feeling. We're not seeing that, that old look where it was those tight little curls or that S type of pattern. We're giving her something that looks natural, that looks soft, that's pliable in movement. So again, with this type of haircut, it's going to really support it and give her that strength. So this is going to be in my way, so I want to just open that up, use my butterfly clip, and clip that out of the way. Here, our last section, I'm going to lift up. I want to have this have enough body, so I want to have this right on base. Taking the one end paper and the next. Again, a little off center. Make sure all those ends are in. What I like to do is I roll on the ends once to twice, and then I'll start moving down so I can get that full range. I can take this one off again and refasten. So here we have a beach wave technique that's again going to create a dropped curl. So she's going to have a little bit flatter on the top and then more of that curl on the round of her head. If you have any kind of ends that are sticking out like this, what you can do is called a Band-Aid, where you take an end paper, wrap that in, spray it down with a little water, and use your comb to wrap that in.
So we're here in New York City at Pier 59, working on our first look for the shoot, and as you can see behind us, Mercedes, who had the curl formation put into her hair, on the makeover day, today we're actually styling it, and this is our first look, and it's really exciting. And what we've done is we've just literally taken her hair as it was this morning, resprayed the hair down, just to really just smoothen out and polish out that texture.